Hi guys! We're going to make waffles made by Maya, the original hot cake mix.
You show it to them. Okay, the fluffy and tasty hot cake mix by Maya. Okay, so first off, you're going to open the flour mix.
Flour mix. All?
Okay, next, read the instruction. Okay, you have to mix everything. Okay, next is pour the oil. That's 2 tablespoons of oil. Any kind of oil will do. It's not indicated which one to use. So we use the vegetable oil. And then 1 medium egg, white egg. Okay, crack the egg. Hindi, kung saan yung crack. Okay. And now, with what else? 1/2 cup of water. Tayo prepare ng 1/2 cup of water. Okay, then 1/2 cup of water.
Excited na ako mix.
Okay, this one is 1/2 cup of water.
Wow!
Okay, next. So this is how it looks like. You have to mix it, everything. Now we're here and we're going to use the American Home waffle maker. So beside me is Trina. We're going to open this one. It's already preheated and it's ready for use. Yay! Maybe 1 scoop is enough because it's going to drip again.
Pwede ba anuhin mo kahit dyan?
Okay, let's try. Let's try this one. We're going to close it tightly.
Okay, let's wait for minutes. Let's put some butter in the waffle, on the waffle, and this one, pancake syrup. So, wow! Ala, medyo butas-butas. So we're going to put it in the plate here. So, on the plate. Sorry. Matunog-tunog pa.